Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious Degi Aloo Gosht. So let's get this video started. Go ahead and hit pause for the ingredients. And of course, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon. The ingredients we need are onions. We also need this Aloo Gosht masala. You can see in the ingredients what is in it. We need ginger and garlic paste. We need mutton. We need green chilies, the tomatoes, and also the spices. In a large pot, we're gonna add oil, and to that we're gonna add our onions and we're gonna fry them until they are a dark brown. Then we're gonna remove the onions and set them aside. Now to the same pot we're gonna add the gosht, and I just added a splash of water, and we're just gonna cook that until it is like a light brown. Then we are gonna add the ginger and garlic paste and we're gonna mix it all up. So now we're gonna add a tablespoon of the Aloo Gosht masala and like 1.5 tablespoons of the green chilies, and we're gonna mix it well. And then we're gonna add the spices and we're gonna mix it well as well. Basically we're gonna fry it, or in Urdu we say isko bhunna hai achhi tarah. So after we're done bhooning, we're gonna add around 2 cups of water, and we're gonna let this cook until the meat tenderizes. So basically just let it cook for like 20 to 25 minutes on a medium flame. Go ahead and make a paste with the onions. Now we're just gonna check if the meat has tenderized, and it looks perfect. So we're just gonna add the onion paste and we're gonna give it a good mix and just let it cook for a little bit. I mean, just look at that, mashallah. Alright guys, now we're gonna add the potatoes, which I forgot to film earlier, and the ingredients. We're gonna add them and give it a good mix, basically fry them into the masala so it can get incorporated. Now as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna add 2 green chilies and around 4 cups of water, and we're gonna cook this on medium flame until the potatoes are thoroughly finished. Once the oil comes to the top, you know it's ready. Okay guys, so our aloo gosht is ready. Go ahead and dish it out. Sprinkle it with some kasuri methi and coriander leaves, and serve it with some rice or naan, however you like it. And jazakallah for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. If you like the video, if you like my content, do hit that like button and also leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.